Alright, let's look at the homework 4.5, problem number 6. Alright, so we're going to use the substitution to evaluate this definite integral. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so this is going to be a substitution. We're going to just use let u be 2 pi t. Right? Then we'll have du over dt is equal to 2 pi. Right? Then take the reciprocal and so put everyone upside down. So 1 over 2 pi. Then you can just multiply by du. Right? So that way we have dt isolated. So du over 2 pi. Alright. Then we have to adjust the lower limit and the upper limit. So t goes from 1 over 12 to 1/4. Right? So u is going to be 2 pi times t. So it's a 2 pi over 12 is a pi over 6 to 2 pi times over 4. So it's a pi over 2. Alright, so we can rewrite this integral as integral from pi over 6 to pi over 2. Right? And you have a cosecant of u. Right? We decided to call this guy u and that guy u. So cosecant of u, cotangent of u, right? Then, and the du is du, dt is du over 2 pi. Alright, so we can put 2 pi in front. We'll get, right, 1 over 2 pi. Alright, then integral from pi over 6 to pi over 2, cosecant of u, cosecant of u, cotangent of u, du. Right? Now we know how to find antiderivative, so 1 over 2 pi. Alright, antiderivative of cosecant of u and the cotangent of u is negative cosecant of u. Negative cosecant of u. Then we're going from pi over 6 to pi over 2. Right? Then let's see. If you want, we can use this negative sign to switch the upper limit and a lower limit. So let's do that. I'm gonna kill that and then switch these two. So this is going to be pi over 2 now. This is going to be pi over 6. Alright? So you're going to get 1 over 2 pi. Right? So if you plug in pi over 6, so cosecant of pi over 6. So sine of pi over 6 is 1/2. So it's reciprocal. So that will be 2. Right? And then pi over 2. So sine of pi over 2 is 1, and the reciprocal of that is 1. Right? So 2 times 1, so this is just going to be 1 over 2 pi. Right? So let's type it in. Right? What we got was 1 over 2 pi. Right? So let's submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.